Hello YouTube and welcome. In this video I would like to do with you the unboxing of this new Planeswalker deck from the core set 2019. So this one is the Tezzeret Planeswalker deck, and this package contains the deck box, a ready to play 60 card deck, 150 card booster pack, a strategy insert, and a magic quick reference card. So this is the Tezzeret Cruel Machinist. Tezzeret uses his ability to manipulate metal to fulfill his dark ambitions, assemble a host of artifacts, and turn them into deadly tools to engineer a cunning victory. So, let's see what we can get from this one. So this is the art for the deck box. Great image, this one. Put it aside. Here it is, the rest of our deck. Here it is, the quick reference card, the strategy insert for this deck. Doesn't have the deck list. And here it is, the booster for this new set, the core set 2019. Now, with our Planeswalker deck, we start with the Planeswalker, of course. So here it is, the Tezzeret Cruel Machinist. He has 6 drops and 4 loyalty points. For +1, draw a card. For 0, until your next turn, target artifact you control becomes a 5/5 creature in addition to his other types. And for -7, put any number of cards from your hand into the battlefield face down. They are 5/5 artifact creatures. Interesting. Really interesting. Now, seeing the rest of the deck. 1 with the machine, 4 drops. Draw cards equal to the highest convert mana cost amount artifact you control. Nice card, this one. Riddle Master Synth, 6 drops, he has flying. When enters the battlefield, you may return target creature an opponent controls to his owner hand, and it is a 5/5. Tezzeret Gatebreaker, 4 drops. When enters in the battlefield, look at the top 5 cards of your library. You may reveal a blue or artifact card from among them and put it in your hand. Put the rest on the bottom of your library in a random order. For 6, tap it, sacrifice Tezzeret Gatebreaker. Creatures you control can't be blocked this turn. And we get 2 of them. Now the basic lands. So again, this is a monocolor, blue in this case. We continued with divination, 3 drops, draw 2 cards. Dwindle, 3 drops, enchant creature. Enchanted creature gets -6, -0. When enchanted creature blocks, destroy it. Interesting. And we have 3 of them. Exclusion Mage, 3 drops. When enters the battlefield, return target creature an opponent controls to his owner hand, and it is a 2/2. Gearsmith Prodigy, 1 drop. He gets +1/+0 as long as you control an artifact, and it is a 1/2. And we get 2 of them. Scholar of Stars, 4 drops. When enters the battlefield, if you control an artifact, draw a card, and it is a 3/2. Skilled Animator, 3 drops. When enters in the battlefield, target artifact you control becomes an artifact creature with base power and toughness 5/5 for as long as Skillet Animator remains in the battlefield, and it is a 1/3. Snapping Drake, 4 drops, he has flying, and it is a 3/2. Uncomfortable Chill, 3 drops, creatures your opponent control gets -2/-0 until the end of the turn, then draw a card. Field Creeper, 2 drops, it is a 2/1, get 2 of them. Gearsmith Guardian, 5 drops, Gearsmith Guardian gets +2/+0 as long as you control a blue creature, and it is a 3/5, get 2 of them. Mana Leaf, 3 drops, tap it, add 1 mana of any color. Meteor Golem, 7 drops, when enters the battlefield destroy target non-land permanent and opponent controls, and it is a 3/3, get 2 of them. Sky Scanner, 3 drops, he has flying, when Sky Scanner enters in the battlefield draw a card, and it is a 1/1, get 2 of them. Pendulum of Pattern, 2 drops, when enters the battlefield you gain 3 life. For 5 tap it, sacrifice Pendulum of Patterns, draw a card, and we get 4 of them. Tezzeret Strider, 3 drops, as long as you control Tezzeret's Planeswalker. Tezzeret Strider has Menace, and it is a 3/1. And we get 3 of them. So this is our Planeswalker deck, mono blue, working with artifacts also. So this is the Tezzeret Cruel Machinist. Now let's have a look what we get in this booster for this set. And starts with Oaken Form, 3 drops, enchant creature, enchanted creature gets +3/+3. Divination, 3 drops, draw 2 cards. Electrify, 4 drops, electrify deals 4 damage to target creature. Leech Caress, 5 drops, destroy target creature, you gain 3 life. Inspired Charge, 4 drops, creatures you control get +2/+1 until the end of the turn. Centaur Courser, 3 drops, it is a 3/3. Rustwing Falcon, 1 drop, he has flying, and it is a 1/2, and a great image, this one. Totally Lost, 5 drops, put target non-land permanent on top of his owner library. Hired Blade, 3 drops, he has Flash, and it is a 3/2. Lava Axe, 5 drops, Lava Axe deals 5 damage to target player or Planeswalker, an old card this one. Heroic Reinforcements, 4 drops, create 2 1/1 White Soldier creature tokens. Until the end of the turn, creatures you control get +1/+1 and gain haste. Leoning Vanguard, 1 drop, at the beginning of combat on your turn. If you control 3 or more creatures, Leoning Vanguard gets +1/+1 until the end of the turn, and you gain 1 life, and it is a 1/1. Geistbark Twins, 7 drops, he has Trample. Geistbark Twins can block an additional creature each combat, and it is a 7/7. And our rare, Banefire, an X and a Mountain. Banefire deals X damage to any target. If X is 5 or more, this spell can be countered, and the damage can be prevented. Nice card, this one. Really. So here it is, the dual land, Cinder Barrels. He enters in the battlefield, tap it for a swamp or a mountain, and we have a zombie token, 2/2. So this is what I have to share with you. I hope you like it, you enjoy it. Until the next time, see you!